How to turn on or turn off LED flash for alerts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, and in here, tap on Audio and Visual. Then we scroll down to the bottom. In the Visual section, tap on LED flash for alerts. Then at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So tap on the LED flash for alerts toggle button. In here, we switch it off. Here, we switch it on. And that's it. You can also choose whether to flash while it is unlocked or not, or to flash when you are in silent mode, or no flash when you are in silent mode. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.